Hi there. Welcome to an exclusive opportunity to unlock the complexities of international trade finance. I am Dr. Vijayesh Jain, having more than 35 years of experience in dealing with the letter of credits and the documents and the payment methods that are similar to letter of credit. So get ready for a transformative experience at the forthcoming offline session come workshop in Bangalore, the theme of which is letter of credit, trade finance, ISBP, UCP 600, 500 made easy. This workshop is your passport to a comprehensive understanding of the intricate world of trade finance and international payment methods. Our agenda in this particular workshop covers essential areas from the fundamentals of documentary credit by banks to navigating the complexities of the ICC guideline, that is UCP 500, 600 and even ISBP. So unlock the world of letter of credit, trade finance, ISBP, UCP 600, 500, and it is your essential guide to mastering trade finance essentials. So in this workshop, you will dive into different types of letter of credits, discrepancies, frauds, precautions, and also about new ideas and innovations that are coming in letter of credit process, including online LCs or blockchain-based letter of credit. So as you know, trade finance is the backbone of global commerce. Understanding its intricacies is crucial for businesses and individuals involved in international trade and business. So this workshop aims to demystify these essential components, making them accessible and easy to comprehend. So I am having this expertise in this area, having more than 22 online courses centered around international trade. This workshop was born from a realization, a need for a comprehensive workshop focused solely on the letter of credit and international trade finance. So join me in pioneering excellence, bridge the gap between theory and practice, gain a holistic understanding of letter of credit, UCP rules and trade finance essentials, empowering yourself with the knowledge needed for confident navigation through international trade, finance, complexities, and receiving international payments. Herein, you explore documentary credit or so-called letter of credit, decipher UCP 500, 600, delve into various type of letter of credits, safeguard transactions against discrepancies and frauds, unveil essential precautions, and embrace the efficiency of new technologies that are coming in this area. Now, who should enroll to this workshop? Business professionals, exporters, importers, finance enthusiasts, and anyone passionate about international trade, seeking to strengthen their trade finance knowledge. So, are you ready to demystify trade finance and letter of credit? Join me in letter of credit, trade finance, ISBP, UCP 600, 500 made easy workshop. Gain the expertise, confidence, and essential knowledge needed to navigate the global trade landscape. Enroll now and embark on this knowledge-packed journey with me.